steps of St. Paul's, the little old bird woman comes in her own special way to the people she calls. Come, buy my bags with crumbs. Come feed the little birds, show them you care, and you'll be glad if you do. All the world seems in tune on a spring afternoon when you're poisoning pigeons in the park. Every Sunday you'll see my best chums and me, we go poisoning pigeons in the park. When they see us coming, the birdies all run and hide, but they still eat the crumbs when they're coated inside. The sun shining bright, everything feels alright when we're poisoning pigeons in the park. La 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 la. Chim chimney, chim chimney, chim chimney. Feed the birds, tuppence in the park. Tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a park. Feed the birds, that's what she cried. Wide overhead, her birds fill the skies all around the cathedral. The saints and apostles look down as she sells her wares. You know you can't see it, but you sense they are smiling each time someone shows that she cares. But I don't give a fig for religion. I just want to dispose of a pigeon. So next Sunday you're free. Why don't you come with me and we'll poison the pigeons in the park? It's the right thing to do. They've all got bird flu. We should poison the pigeons in the park. We'll murder them all amid laughter and merriment, except for the ones we take home to experiment. My pulse will be quickened with each drop of strychnine we feed to a pigeon. It just takes a smidgen. Tuppence is a bargain to poison a pigeon in the park. Ha ha! Thank you, my friend. Thank you very much.